As a developer, the functionality you build for a storefront directly impacts the customer's experience and loyalty to a brand. That's why it's so important to understand how customers navigate through an online storefront. Working with any new theme can feel intimidating. That's why we're here to walk you through a simple approach. You'll learn how each front-end page is connected to a template in the code editor where you'll be working. And later in this learning pathway, you'll dive into how to use these templates to build your own page customizations. A theme controls the organization, features, and style of your online store. All themes on the Shopify theme store are designed to enhance the customer journey. They make life easier for developers like you by including a wide range of pre-built features. Today, we'll be looking at Shopify's Dawn theme. However, it's important to note that the naming conventions for templates and sections are consistent across all Shopify themes. Themes are built with a standard series of components. JSON templates control what's rendered on each type of page. Each template is made up of a collection of section groups, and within these are individual sections. A section group is a JSON data file that stores a list of sections to be rendered. Sections are reusable, customizable modules of content that you can add to templates and section groups. Simply put, sections control specific areas within each page template, allowing you to customize pages to meet any client's needs. For example, this section group is called the header group. The sections within it control varying aspects of headers across the store's pages. Now, let's take a look at this in the code editor itself. First, go to the templates directory to view those available for your chosen theme. Open up the template for the storefront page you want to work on. Now, you've learned that within each template are sections. Each one matches a section with the same name in the sections directory. I want to work on the image banner section, so I'll expand my section directory and find the section with the same name. Now, let's head over to the front end of our online store to see how everything works together. The first place a customer typically lands is on the home page. This is rendered using the index.json template. An essential part of the home page is the navigation menu. This allows customers to easily get around the online store and serves as a directory of main products. The navigation menu is modified from the sections directory under the section group headergroup.json. Next, it's important to include a search page to help customers find what they're looking for quickly. This uses the search.json template. Now, onto the collection page. This is commonly referred to as the product listing page, or PLP. From here, you can browse the store's available offerings grouped by product category. This page is rendered with the collection.json template. The collection page includes two sections, a banner and a product grid. You also have the ability to customize further based on individual client needs. For example, color swatches. Next, the product details page, or PDP, contains all the content and media for specific products. Render this page with the product.json template. It's important here to include clear, centralized call to action buttons. For example, offering an accelerated checkout option like this Buy It Now button. This is a great option for customers who have a specific item in mind and want to check out quickly. You'll learn more about how to add these to product pages later in the course. For customers who don't choose an accelerated checkout option, the cart page is the next step on their journey. This provides an overview of the contents in their cart, typically in a table format. Render the cart page with the cart.json template. All Shopify themes come equipped with varying section options. For example, items added to cart, the subtotal, and many more. Now, on to Shopify Checkout. Shopify manages the default checkout page, but empowers developers like you to add custom features with checkout UI extensions. You can customize your checkout experience by extending pages like the thank you and order status pages. You can also configure a 1 or 3 page checkout. For more information on working with checkout extensions, follow the link. Don't worry, this will open in a new tab, so you don't lose your spot in this course. If a customer has made it this far, It means they're invested in making their purchase. We recommend offering customers multiple ways to pay using their preferred method, from all the major credit cards to Express Checkout and Shop Pay. These custom checkout features are a great way to help meet your clients' unique needs. Now that you've seen how customers complete a purchase, let's look at one other important on-site page. This page isn't a direct part of the customer's checkout journey. However, it is equally important for the end-to-end user experience. After logging in, the customer account page allows you to view your order history, check order status, edit your personal profile, and more. Much like the checkout page, Shopify handles the default customer account page for you, ensuring that you have all the standard functionality out of the box. You can customize this further to meet your specific client needs using customer account UI extensions. For example, showcasing loyalty points. For more information about customer account UI extensions, check out the link. Now that you're familiar with these key on-site pages and their templates, you're ready to dive deeper into building within this framework. And remember, Shopify themes come with tons of pre-built features, so you can focus on creating the customizations that matter most for your client.